Today we're going to do a makeup tutorial using really all of my everyday go-to favorite products. First we're going to start with the Youth BB Cream. This is a 5-in-1 tinted BB cream with SPF 30. I love using this product. Now we're going to go in with just a little bit of Photo Shoot. This is by Beauty Society. This helps smooth the pores and fine lines and wrinkles. Now we're going to go in with Incognito. This is a really nice, thin, hydrating concealer that helps just conceal darkness, brighten, smooth, and it works great as a base. Using Bellamy's eyeshadow palette, we're going to go in with just two colors today, Vixen and Siren. Maybe add a little shimmer. All right, and then just a little bit of the pink shimmer. And we're just putting that right on top of the lid just to add a little something, something. Just a little black eyeliner to add a little definition to the lid. This one is just by Mary Kay. Now going in with Beauty Society's Perfect 10 foundation, 10 active skincare ingredients in this, wonderful for mature skin. You can layer it thin or put it on thin or layer it up for a more fuller coverage, but it's just a beautiful finish. Using shade Delight today. Panorama Mascara by L'Oreal. Damp sponge, pressing in and lifting any excess foundation. This is especially important and good for mature skin to help your foundation prevent it from settling into your fine lines and wrinkles. Contour, blush, and highlight using Beauty Society's Timeless Face Sticks. These are so beautiful on mature skin. They're creamy, they blend really beautifully, and they're easy to apply. All right, now we're ready for lips. Getting there, getting there. We're gonna use Bellamy lip liner, shade Dusty Rose, I think it is. It's one of their more pinkier shades. And then topping it off with lipstick by Beauty Society. This is Oasis. It's a nice neutral, hydrating matte lipstick. And there is the finished look. So there we have it. Those are my favorites. Those are my go-tos. Really easy for a soft, pretty, fresh look. message me for color match. I can help you, and you all have a blessed day.